There are three golden rules of a chess. First, control the center. Don't push random pawns. Instead, you can play e4, d4 or knight f3. Center is the heart of a game, so if you control the center, you will control the heart of the chessboard. Second, develop your minor pieces. If you develop your minor pieces, it will create a huge impact on a game, which gives you more space. More space is equal to more power. Third, castle early. In a game of a chess, king's safety should be your first priority. So if you castle early, it will give you a safe space for a king. Beginner players often struggle to find the right opening in a chess. So, here I have one opening for you guys. Here you play e4, opponent plays e5, you play knight f3, opponent play knight c6 and you play bishop c4. This opening gives you center control, a good development of the pieces, king early safety and lots of benefits. So this opening is known as an Italian game. Master this opening, control your games and tell me which opening you are using currently in your games. So there is the opening rule. Never double up the pawns. Let's suppose if bishop captures the knight here. Don't capture it from a pawn. Instead, capture it from a queen. Never open the knight on the corner because it covers less squares and it gives you less space. Instead, you can open here. You can open the knight on the corner only when it's necessary, when there's an attack on a c3 or the d2. Lot of beginner players often do this mistakes in endgame. You lock your opponent pieces and there's no space for the other pieces to move, and also king is in this situation, is trapped. So king can also not move, this piece can also not move, so there's a stalemate. So never lock your opponent other pieces except the king, and whenever you get opportunity to do the checkmate, do it, otherwise you will get stalemate. En passant rule. Only few chess geniuses know about this rule. When the opponent pawns place 2 steps and it lands beside your pawn, you can cut their pawn on adjacent tile just like a normal piece got captured. But it only happens when the pawn hasn't moved before. Lots of grandmasters use this in their game. So you too have to use it whenever you got the chance and surprise your opponent. Hope you got this beginner's lesson. For more such content, subscribe the Dhyan Chess Academy.